Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. NAB converts inquiry into investigation against Amir Muqam. The National Accountability Bureau has converted inquiry into investigation against PMLN leader Engineer Amir Muqam in charges of possessing assets beyond known means of income. Fazlur Rahman's close ID likely to be indicted in assets case. An accountability court in Peshawar is likely to indict JOIF Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman's close aide Musa Khan Baloch in assets beyond income case on 30th January. Court's order: home, food, other facilities for Khwaja Asif. An accountability court directed the jail authorities to provide B-class facilities to incarcerated PMLN leader Khwaja Asif as per the law. Supreme Court dismisses appeal acquits Daniel Pearl murder case accused. The Supreme Court dismissed the appeal of the Sindh government and acquitted the accused of the 2002 murder of American journalist Daniel Pearl. PPP expedites preparation for upcoming Senate elections. Pakistan People's Party has expedited preparation for the upcoming Senate election as political party will start receiving application for candidates from 1st February. Pakistan receives geographical indication tag for basmati rice. Pakistan has received the geographical indication tag for its basmati rice. Pakistan to begin COVID-19 vaccination drive next week, Asad Umar. Federal Planning and Development Minister Asad Umar announced that Pakistan will launch its COVID-19 vaccination drive next week and starting with the frontline health workers. Corona test positivity ratio in country stands at 4.68%. National Command and Operation Center. The COVID-19 test positivity ratio in the country stands at the rate of 4.68% as number of critically ill patients reached to 2,147. This is the end of today's news. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Stay tuned with us. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.